Hey, hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel Soulful Life. So, here we started to air show at Yelahanka in Bangalore. This Aero India is a biennial air show, that means it is happening every 2 years, and aviation exhibition held in Bangalore, India, at the Yelahanka Air Force Station. It is organized by the Defense Exhibition Organization, Ministry of Defense. The air show was held in 1996. Subsequently, the Aero India has emerged as a significant military aviation exhibitions. The 15th and the most recent edition of the Aero India was held from 10th to 14th February 2025. The theme of the event is the runway to a billion opportunities. While only business visitors will be allowed on the first 3 days of the event, general public will have a chance to visit and enjoy the air shows on the last 2 days. The Ministry of Defense, Indian Air Force, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, that is HAL, Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, Development of Space, Defense Exhibition Organization, and the Union Civil Aviation Ministry and other such organizations organize the Air Show India. So the purpose of the air shows is air demonstrations and trade shows provides an opportunity for people to see US military air capabilities in action and meet the service members who fly and maintain the equipment. Visit these resources to find out what shows are happening in your area. So the ticket prices for the major 2025 air shows varied, with Aero India 2025 February 10th to 14th offering public passes for around rupees 2500 for Indians and $50 for the foreigners on public days, plus ADVA viewing passes at rupees 1050 and business passes rupees 5000 and $150. So the most happening at air shows is most air shows feature warbirds, aerobatics, and demonstrations of modern military aircrafts. And many air shows offers a variety of other aeronautical attractions as well, such as wing walking, radio controlled aircrafts, water or slurry drops from firefighting aircrafts, simulated helicopter rescues, and skydiving. Aero India 2026 is expected to take place in February 2026 at the Air Force Station Yelahanka in Bengaluru, India. As a biennial event, it will feature international and domestic aerospace manufacturers, defense exhibition, and spectacular flying displays. The event typically includes 3 business days followed by 2 public viewing days. Aero India 2025 began at Bengaluru's Yelahanka Air Force Station, showcasing India's defense and aerospace capabilities. The event features over 9,000 exhibitors and focus on strategic meetings and dialogues to enhance self-reliance. Highlights include Russia Su-57 US F-35 aircrafts and a defense ministry conclave. The exhibition aims to boost India's defense exports and joint production of advanced technologies. So, Aero India 2025 at Yelahanka Air Force Station between February 10th to 14th, 2025 features over 9,000 exhibitors, including major global aerospace firms like Airbus, Boeing, Lockheed Martin, and Safran, Russian Su-57 and US F-35 fighters. The event focuses on defense manufacturing with a strong Indian presence from HAL, BEL, and DRDO. That's it about this video, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Soulful Life. See you in my next vlog.